Guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mahashweta and I create content on skincare, hair care, minimal makeup and also bits of lifestyle. If you don't know already, I am also a beauty content creator on Instagram and my handle is Painted Charisma. So in case you're not following me there, I request you to please go and give me a follow. This is my first ever YouTube video and I'm so excited to be finally doing this. Now the reason why I wanted to start a YouTube channel despite having an Instagram page is that I feel long form content is of so much value. I can explain so many things when it comes to long videos, but unfortunately the Instagram algorithm is just not preferring and picking up long form content. And I thought if I keep creating longer videos on Instagram, my energy, my effort eventually will not reach a lot of people. And so I thought, let's jump into YouTube finally. So what I thought is, before I dive straight into skincare, hair care and beauty content, I thought I should do like a kind of an intro video that will help and enable you to know me better. So like I said, my name is Mahashweta and I'm from Guwahati, Assam. I've also lived in Delhi for around 9 years where I finished my graduation, my masters, and then I also worked for around 4 years before finally shifting to Jaipur after getting married. So I've been married for around 6 years now. Our 6th anniversary is actually just around the corner. And if you want to know my age, I'm 33. So professionally, I have worked in HR for around 7 years. So I have finished my graduation and masters in psychology with a specialization in organizational behavior. So that's how I entered the world of HR. But after working in HR for a while, I realized that I was not very fulfilled professionally. I was always very fond of writing and creative stuff. So that's when I quit my job and made a switch into digital marketing, where I started working for clients, right? But then while creating content for clients, I became so fascinated by the whole world of social media. And I already had this major interest in skincare, hair care and beauty, and I just wanted to put my knowledge of beauty out there, and that's how I became a content creator and ended up starting my Instagram page. I love skincare so much, guys. It gives me immense pleasure to try out new products, research about new ingredients, learn about their benefits and so on. I've been using skincare actives for around 4 to 5 years now, and even before that, even before I started my whole actives journey, I've been very regular and consistent with my skincare journey. So everything that I talk about on this channel and things that I talk about on my Instagram page will purely be on the basis of my experience, my journey, things that I've actually learned ever since I embraced skincare. I hope I'm making sense. So coming to my skin personally, I have dry skin, and my primary skincare issues are dullness. My skin is prone to major dullness, itchy flaky skin, and it's also little sensitive because it's prone to barrier damage quite a bit. And I've also struggled with hyperpigmentation, and whenever I get pimples, I don't get a lot of pimples, but whenever I have breakouts, the acne marks bother me a bit. So so my skincare issues are primarily these. When it comes to hair, I have an oily scalp which has become manageable over time, and dry frizzy hair. I recently discovered that frizzy is actually not a hair type and my hair is actually wavy. So I have just started embracing the natural texture of my hair and begun following the curly curl method I think a couple of months back. So I'll be talking a lot about that on my channel too. When it comes to makeup, I'm a complete minimal makeup person, okay? Like, I'm very bad with eyeshadow and eye makeup and stuff. Although I love it, when someone else does it on me, and I love watching makeup videos and tutorials, but I somehow haven't had the time to practice to get my skills right, I guess. So my makeup preference is basically dewy skin, minimal makeup that lets my skin shine through. I hope that makes sense. So I love dewy, glowy makeup, and so I have my makeup favorites also, things that help me achieve the kind of look that I want, and I will be talking about those things here on my channel too. Talking about lifestyle, I'm actually a diabetic and fitness is a major part of my daily routine. 4 years back, I was diagnosed with diabetes, and that sort of pushed me to embrace a very consistent fitness routine. Before that, if you ask me, I and any sort of physical activity literally used to run in opposite directions. So here on this page, I also want to talk about fitness related content a bit, like fitness and having a healthy diet, what do I eat the entire day, and so on and so forth. Like, I'm definitely not an expert, okay, but I can at least try and talk about things from my experience. So yeah, I can share inputs as much as is possible from my end. I have been meaning to incorporate fitness related content into my Instagram page as well, but somehow I haven't gotten around to it. So maybe with this channel, I'll be able to incorporate fitness somehow. I had taken suggestions from you guys once, and that had definitely helped me. So yeah, so you can expect to see me talking about diet and workouts and fitness and what I eat and what not on this page a bit as well. So when it comes to hobbies, I and my husband, we both love traveling and exploring new places. We love going the offbeat routes to places that are not frequented by tourists. And even if we, let's say, go to a place as touristy as Goa, we somehow chart our own path, and we do a lot of research. At least I do a lot of research and try and read about places that are not there on the typical tourist map. So yeah, we love discovering new places and exploring and traveling, and yeah, I love travel. And I'll try to, and if you guys are interested, I'll try to incorporate some travel related content too. I don't know, let's see. So yeah, I guess that summarizes pretty much everything about me. Like I mentioned earlier, my primary niche would be skincare, hair care and beauty, with bits of lifestyle, fitness and travel thrown here and there. So if you guys are interested, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, and I promise to put out my real, raw and authentic self out there. So that's it for today's video, guys. I really wanted to do this kind of an intro video before I dive straight into content per se. I'll try and upload my next video on Wednesday, and I'll see you guys then. Bye.